I shine, you shine, you shine.
Hey Go Girls, welcome back. We're going to start learning the first verse and the hook to the Go Girls anthem, My Light, by Grammy nominated music group Alphabet Rockers featuring Tossie Long. Let's remember to give it all we got and take in all the learning. And mistakes are okay because mistakes help us grow. First, we're going to show you all the movement and then we're going to break it down step by step. The first move looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's break it down step by step. I'm going to take a step to my right and I'm going to move my arms up and down like this. Then I'm going to step over to the left side and move my arms again. I'm going to repeat that 4 times through for a whole entire 8 count. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That was awesome. Let's learn the next move. The next move is a zigzag and it's super fun and looks like this. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, down, down. And you know what would make it even more cooler if we did it faster? So let's try it a little bit faster. Ready, set, go. Up, down, down. 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 We did it. Okay. All right, Go Girls. Now let's mark that all the way through before we do it with music. So we're going to do verse 1 2 times through. And it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and... Alright, let's try it with music now. Fake it till you make it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Upstage, downstage, step into the spotlight. Lone star, my life, everybody plays a part. I like your moves, yeah, I got them too. Wanna see how I do? Yes, I'm learning about my business. Yes, I'm moving. Yes, I'm in this. The time's right, I shine bright. Go! Gotta do it how I like.
Alright, Go Girls. Now let's learn the choreography to the pre-chorus. So, I'm always going to demonstrate first and then I'll teach it to you step by step. So it looks like this. We just finished our zigzags down and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. That's the pre-chorus choreography and we repeat that 2 times through. So let's break it down step by step. We just finished our zigzags all the way down. And we're going to snake our head over, cupping our hands over our mouth like this because we're going to sing along with the Alphabet Rockers. And we sway 4 times through. And then we're going to do our kickball change, pump it up in solidarity, fists up to the sky. So our kickball change goes like this. Arms first. Cross, pull, put them down. Then pump it twice, fist in the air. Cross, pull, bring them down, then pump them up to the sky. Feet go like this. Kick out that left foot, step it down, and step together with your back foot. Kick, step onto the ball of your foot, then change the weight and put your feet back together again. When you put them together, it looks like this. Let's do that slow. Kick and hop back. Cross those arms. pull and step together. Put your feet down and your arms down. Then pump your fist up 2 times. Slowly, just like that. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick and hop back. Step together. Half T arms. Put your feet together. Put your arms down. And pump that fist up to the sky. Let's try it. Snaking 4 times. Let's get into our medium level, and we're going to snake over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, ball, change. Pump it up. Snake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, ball, change. Pump it up. Awesome job, Go Girls. Remember, you can always pause, rewind, or rewatch any part of the videos if you need to slow it down, or you can even fast forward if you need to speed it up. So let's try it all the way through from our choreography to the first verse, which starts with our arms like this. Try with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Upstage, downstage, step into the spike. My lone star, my life, everybody plays a part. I like your moves, I got them too. Wanna see how I do? Yes, I'm learning about my business. Yes, I'm moving, yes, I'm in this. The time's right, I shine bright. Go! Gotta do it how I like. Oh, I got what I need. Oh, it's all about me. Step into my life, my life, my life.
Awesome, Go Girls, you did it! I'm so proud of you. Next time, we're going to learn the second verse and put it all together, including a freestyle section. In that breakdown, you had the option to show off all of your best moves. I can't wait to see them. I'll see you next time. Bye, Go Girls!